Hello guys! In this video I will show you how to draw some very cool eyes for comic/manga. Enjoy the video! First it's important to take a reference, then you quickly or analyze it, and then you start to sketch it really loose, and you also think the way you want it to be. You also can alter the reference and test it out to see if it's better. Of course, in a design you will have more chances, or especially if you work digitally. It's important to see where the lights come from, or you can set it yourself. Let's say the light is coming this way, so there will be a little highlight here, and depending on the mood of the character, but usually if it's normal, or you can point to the direction where he's looking at. And now let's go in more details, but we can first think of how you can make it different if you want to. Like for example, you can cross hatch using dots or scribbling, especially here, or just leaving it as it is. So let's see, let's try using letter C to shade and to Of course, not every idea is a good one, but you can at least see and test it. Or maybe it's a combination between more ideas that you will discover that works.
Give you everything, held you close by the stormy seas, so you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cry for me, hold you down when the pain was over, keep you warm by the open sea, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing my dreams, going alone, get through the crazy things, don't you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home is just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. voicing blaming you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. You look like a stormy seas, and you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
You think I'm someone to please, say, someone to clean up and table. Some things never change, never.